Hey there, foodies and kitchen connoisseurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of culinary convenience. That's right, we're counting down the top 10 kitchen gadgets that are revolutionizing cooking in 2023. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, let's get started. Kicking off our list are the time-saving marvels that'll make your meal prep a breeze. Say hello to the Automated Chopper Pro, a smart gadget that dices, slices, and juliennes with a push of a button. No more tears over chopping onions. And don't miss the Quickie Induction Cooktop, heating up your pots and pans faster than you can say hangry. Are you a coffee aficionado? Our next section is for you. Experience the future of caffeine with the Quantum Brew Coffee Maker. It uses quantum infusion for a flavor that's out of this world. And for tea lovers, the Smart Kettle Plus lets you customize water temperature and steeping time for that perfect cuppa. Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets? Our smart storage solutions are here to save the day. Meet the Stackmaster containers, space-efficient and stackable, keeping your pantry Instagram-worthy. And who can forget the Fridge Cam Elite? It's an eye-powered camera inside your fridge, reminding you of expiration dates and creating shopping lists. Now let's talk about the gadgets that'll make you feel like a culinary wizard. The Flavor Blaster Pro uses ultrasonic waves to intensify flavors. Think smoky desserts and fruit-infused meats. And if you're into baking, the PastryBot 9000 is your new best friend, decorating cakes with precision like a pro. Health-conscious folks, this one's for you. The NutriBlend Pro takes smoothies to the next level, extracting every nutrient with its molecular blending technology. And to make eating your greens fun, we have the VeggieSpin Salad Spinner, making washing and drying a delight. In the Ultimate Kitchen Assistant category, we have the Chef Buddy Eye, your culinary sidekick. It guides you through recipes, offers substitutions, and even detects allergies. And for the home bakers, say hello to the BakePal Oven Rover, a mobile oven that follows you around as you multitask. Precision is key in cooking, and that's where the Sous Vide Supreme X shines. It ensures your meals are cooked to perfection every time. And if you're into mixology, the Cocktail Pro mixer measures and mixes your drinks with expert precision. Let your culinary creativity flow with our intuitive gadgets. The ArcticChef Digital Scale not only measures ingredients, but also converts units and offers recipe suggestions. And for avant-garde dessert enthusiasts, the Sweet Canvas Food 3D printer lets you design and print intricate desserts that are almost too beautiful to eat. It's time to embrace eco-friendly innovations. The Green Cook Solar Oven harnesses solar energy to cook your meals, reducing your carbon footprint. And if you're tired of plastic waste, the eCoaster Beechwood Mixer is not only biodegradable, but also stylishly handcrafted. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 kitchen gadgets in 2023. From time-saving marvels to eco-friendly wonders, the future of cooking has never looked so exciting. Which of these gadgets are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a taste of the future. Until next time, keep cooking and keep innovating. Cheers!